All right, so I just made it to the apartment and I'm a little out of breath because some things are wrong with it. I already went down to the leasing office and they're gonna take care of it, and I will catch you guys up on it. Let me give you a tour of the apartment because it's empty. We're at the front door. You come in the closet, we have our washer and dryer. Cute, cute. It's kind of dinged up. Need to make sure that they know about that. This is our kitchen. They had told us that our cabinets are supposed to be gray and the backsplash is supposed to be white. So I let them know about that, but they told us it's by building number. Even building numbers are white. So apparently when we changed, it changed. Pantry, stove, dishwasher. There's this burn right here, and I'm like, this is not okay because we did not do this. So I showed them a photo of it. They're like, that's so weird. We're gonna get that replaced for you. So there's that. Here's supposed to be the dining room and the living room. Super small, but I like the carpet. I mean, it's not like we need a whole lot of room anyways. And then here, let's go through here. Here's our view of the parking lot. They said we'd have a view of the golf course, but that they lied. And then here is our itty bitty bedroom. It's so small. Whatever, we got a little barn door action going on. Here's our closet. Pretty big, pretty big. Love all the spaces to put my shoes. And then the bathroom. So we have LED mirrors and a huge glass shower. And like, this is so cool. So good for doing my makeup and whatnot. And then it's Jack and Jill sinks with some storage. And yeah. So this is the apartment. Super small. Thought I'd have a little more space right here, but it's okay. We will make it work. So like I said, they had told us that we got to choose between white cabinets and gray with white backsplash or gray backsplash. So we picked gray with white backsplash, and then I got here and it's white with gray. Not a big deal, it's whatever. This burn mark right here is my biggest concern. So there was a package in here also. Took it down to the leasing office. I'm like, yo, this isn't mine. Can you give this to the person whose it is? They're like, yeah, sure, no problem. They did that. I asked about the cabinets and everything, and the manager had told me that because our building number is an even number, that's what determines the color. Even though they had said it was the apartment number, and because we had an odd apartment number, it would be gray. Whatever, I'm not worried about it. It's just that burn mark, and I showed her that, and she's like, what the heck? That's so weird. We're gonna replace the whole slab for you. I'm like, good, because I don't want to pay for that, and I want my security deposit back at the end of this year lease. And this is just disgusting. So they have to take care of that. But we're moving in. It's Thursday. I'm about to bring all of my stuff in. It's so hot in here. Casey's moving in tomorrow. I'm not staying the night here. I'm just dropping stuff off. And yeah, let's get started with moving. Holy smokes, I am sweating. I'm so tired. I'm just unpacking all of the fun stuff. I'm all moved in. Well, at least this portion. So I have a back seat again. Everything in my car is empty. It's 6:30. I've been moving for the last hour and a half. I'm gonna go home, see
see Casey, see some friends that are in town. And we will be back tomorrow with the other portion of the moving vlog. Good morning, friends. Today's moving day. I just got done at the bank. I had to do some stuff with my car. I'm headed to Walmart right now. I'm going to return the trash can that we bought because the apartment gave us a special trash can. And I'm going to pick up a vacuum because there's more carpet than we expected. I have to go pick up my engagement ring because I got it resized. Then it's gonna pack the car up and it's time to head off to Orlando. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah, so we have a fun-filled day ahead of us. We will meet up with Casey later. I think I'm gonna go stop by Chick-fil-A and get some lunch because I am so hungry and I just spent the last 2 hours at the bank. Round 2, everything is packed up. My car is packed up again to the brim. I am leaving Tampa right now to head to the apartment to drop all this stuff off. My parents are coming tonight. Casey's leaving work at 3 o'clock. It's 2:30 right now. I'm gonna try and beat traffic. I mean, it is a Friday. I'm gonna try my best. Part of I-4 is normally terrible, so we'll see. Really not looking forward to unpacking everything and putting it all away. So Casey made it to the apartment. Your poor lamp.
I know, it got caught on my guitar, so I'm gonna cut off the bottom part to find the tires.
Are you gonna make it even?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put that?
I don't know, we're not gonna keep it forever because I know you hate it.
Yeah, you're right. So this is the apartment with Casey in it, and with...
That's it. You didn't know that, but...
Wow, you turned the light on. Turn it off.
Oh, wow, we have lights back there. What's it?
Oh, and they came to fix this. Did it work?
I don't know.
I don't know. I sure hope
Looks
so.
like it.
It makes me so mad that they let us move in with that.
Yeah, I eat that.
First load of laundry. Can you go light on? Welcome to the closet portion of this vlog. So here's my stuff, not in color coordinated order because I'm psychotic like that and I need it color coordinated. And I have all my jackets over here, but I do have a ton of shelves and I'm gonna put as many shoes up as I can as possible. My side of the closet is done-ish. I love it. I'm thriving with all my shoes. I do have some more clothes to put away, but I'm gonna come back to it. Our bathroom's looking a little...
Would you be considered college with soap? Because I'm just used to saying...
Just put normal. So I'm curious, what is the toilet paper brand? Like, the toilet paper. We got the Charmin Ultra Gentle. Is it the toilet paper that everyone wants to use? I don't know. And you guys fell again. So that's a little bit better. Because I want to be that person with the cool toilet paper. All right, friends. I am all showered and ready to go. Please don't eat these.
Don't eat them?
Please. Anything else? I don't really care. Everything else should be fine. Not like there's a whole lot. He's setting up his TV on the ground over here. There's just tons of boxes. Laundry's done for now. First round of dishes are done. I'm just gonna go to my aunt's house tonight. All I have there is my uniform and my bag with my essential items. I don't think I need anything else here other than my purse. I think I'm ready to go, Beebs. So I'm going to Detroit tomorrow. It's my day off. I picked up a turn. So I'm gonna head to my aunt's house and go to sleep, and I'll be up bright and early in the morning.
Tonight is the last night in the 55 plus community with my aunt. I bet she's so sad. She doesn't even know I'm coming right now. She knows I'm coming tonight, but she doesn't know I'm coming right now. Oh, I have to wake up so early tomorrow. It's 7:51 right now, and I have to report at 5:30 tomorrow.
Morning, friends. It's 3:54 in the morning, and I'm all packed up in my aunt's house. I'm getting ready to head out to go to work. I no longer have to sleep on a couch anymore, and all my items are right here. I'm gonna go ahead and head to work. Alright guys, we're on the airplane. I am the view flight attendant today, therefore the whole back galley is mine. I'm gonna do my equipment checks, set up my cart, and get ready for the day. Okay, now we get to set up the front part. We get to set up this, the line, the basket. So we line it with this so ice does not get everywhere. So welcome to today's adventure. We're going to Detroit. Alright, ice bucket. Ice. Make the bucket look super pretty. So we're just gonna stuff some of this stuff in here. So I'm flying the B position today. The B position does all of this. So just gotta make sure everything looks good because I work with the D. 321, so the D is in very middle of the cabin, probably 13 rows up for me. Alright, so now we can put some snacks in here to make it look filling. I have to make sure there's water in here. So I picked up this trip because, like I said, I only work on my days off. Today's my day off. It's Saturday, June 15th, I think. Yeah, I think it's the 15th. So this side is done. Put one more bottle on this side. Set up, ready to go. Waiting on our other two crew members. Okay. Now that all of this is set up, go ahead and get ready. On behalf of your flight crew and Midnight the Wolf on our tail and wing links, we welcome you aboard. Please pause the use of your electronic devices so that we can have your attention for just a moment as we show you the safety features of our Airbus 321. Please make sure that your small electronic devices are held or secured in a pocket, seat pocket, or carry-on for takeoff. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab on the front or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. If needed, due to loss of cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment over. Hey friends, we're home in the new apartment. I just cleaned the kitchen, so the kitchen's clean, and it's like 3:15. My groceries are being delivered to me. I have so much to clean up. I hate moving. All right, my parents are coming in a little bit. Maybe they will be ever so kind to take boxes to recycling for me. That would be a big help. So, I mean, nothing exciting except my groceries are coming. And Casey's not even gonna be here tonight. It's raining. I'm so tired.